Oh, here we go. Move through the catacombs to meet with me in the churchyard. Ugh. Listening to music has got to be the greatest experience whenever you're playing a game like this. Let me just pause this real quick so I don't get copyright striked. Hello? Be warned. I've already cleared out this area. Why am I scared? Oh, shut up, bitch! I in fact did not clear out this area. I cleared out this area. Why am I scared? It's these one zombies, bricks. Hello? Hello? Oh, oh. Hello? Hey, you! Oh yeah, that's right, I'm supposed to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. You know, if I had my music, I would not be as scared. I'm only playing this because Rec Room's actually getting shut down within like a few days. And I would play some Rec Room to like document the experience, but I don't like how dark this is. Oh. The tower, every day the tower rings church bells throughout the city to stir the herd. Walkers. And watch this time to it. Interesting. I feel like as soon as I let go of my triggers, I'm going to drop my items. No, my gun! Oh, soda. My little soda pop. Oh, is it empty? Oh, it's empty. Oh, this is a... Oh, it's a food.
Thanks for pointing out the obvious.
Oh, okay. My little soda pop. You're the one I think of. Oh, wait. My invincible item. Forgot about that. Frying pan. You really need one of these. Hi there. Are you good?
Don't get used to meeting like
Wanna
this.
show ya?
It's a rarity.
Want to show ya? I understand.
I understand. It's almost impossible to know who to trust.
All right, then we're on the same page. I'll get to the point. Why are you helping me?
Oh, this is that woman I'm supposed to meet.
Henri trusted you, so that's good enough for me.
Were you two friends?
I guess you could say we were new friends, sure. I saved his ass from a slew of walkers in the bayou, and I liked talking to the guy. He had a way about him.
He sure did. My daughter was fond of him. Loved the way he could spin a tale. Well, may he rest in peace. You got some curmudgeonly shoes to fill. I'll point you to tower caches with useful supplies, and you get me the intel they contain. Sound like a deal?
You've got yourself a deal.
Take this drawing. There's some intel at the location in the drawing. When you have it, leave it for me at the usual spot.
Consider it done.
Bye-bye. I was going to shoot you, and then I realized that you were the lady I was going to talk to. I was also going to hit her ass with a frying pan. I know you guys saw that. Frying pan! There's a walker nearby. I can show you the exact reason. Exact reason why I always carry a... Why I always carry a, frying pan. I wonder if this has got a bell. Roy and Roy overall supply. I'm gonna be honest. The only Walking Dead media I've consumed so far is like 2 episodes of the show and the entirety of season 1 of the Telltale games. The only things I know about the Walking... Ooh, is that a knife? No, it's a fork. No, it's a spoon. that. I thought there was a walker. I was about to bam, bam. Spoon. Oh, I could just do that. I haven't played this game in like 2 years. Is there like no zombies? Or walkers? I keep calling them zombies because like that's what they are. It's better than calling them the undead. Oh, the undead! Oh, they're coming to get you! Is that woman still there? Can I beat her upside the head? Ooh, soda pop! My little soda pop. You're the one I think of when I start the breakup. Oh. Is that a basketball hoop? That is a basketball hoop! Hey! Why'd you take my... Frying pan goes in the first slot. You go wherever you want. Yeah, there you go. Please tell me that. Yeah, the rib's still there. Sound like Arthur Morgan.
What?
Yeah. Oh. Bink, 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 bink. You see, it's indestructible. It's got no durability, but it's absolutely great for. I think me coughing and being loud is actually attracting them. Because I'm pretty sure this game uses your mic. I could be wrong about that. Because like I said, I haven't touched this game in like 2 years. Oh, mic. Hello? Hello? You're so pretty. Don't worry, I can flirt with her all I want. I'm 18. Travel to the... I have to go all the way back over to one place just to do one thing? Oh.
Hello there.
Hello? And that's... Fucking dick. No, I think I got TB. That's not something to joke about. Oh! Pipe! No, my frying pan! You piece of shit! Store it safely. Is this one? I can! I gotta be careful, because last... I remember last time I played this game, I missed the thing, and I fell and I died. I have to like physically rotate my body because... Ooh, paid pills! No, give me the pills here! Is this pills? Rubber ointment. That says cement, dumbass. What is this? $9mm headset on 9mm fucking defeater. There's bound to be tons of zombies on here, so I'm actually gonna swap over to my secondary. Ooh, bandages. I'm a thief. Destroy the gate. Oh, I love these. Is that food? Dragon bar. Lighter. bear. Go, go, go. Wait, hold on. No, no, it's not what I want. Oh, I can. Frying pan! Is that a popcorn bag? I don't know. Oh, it's a crafting thing. I've got a fucking beer bottle. More! More of that shit! Hey, look, it's daylight out. No, it's not. Oh, maybe it is. Bitch! What did I fucking say about fucking shooting me? Bitch! Fucking get off me! You fucking sleazy bitch! Fucking hell! No. And this, kids, is why you... That's a f***ing spoon! See, kids, this is why you always carry a frying pan. Woman, you need to get out of here. It's not safe for your kind. That's that sounded so wrong. It's not safe for your kind. Oh, that's what's taking up the slot. You go there. Frying pan. That's the sound of a walker. I have so many guns. Why do I have so many guns? All I need is a frying pan. I'm gonna like go down here, and then the place is gonna be infested. Oh great, my gun's gonna be out of my hand now. Piercing the skull requires a broad range of motion. It's not extremely. Oh, okay. I think that's what my problem is. My gun is not in my hand. Yeah, there we go. Skull. I could bash a skull in with this. Da 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 da. She makes Windu. Da 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 da. 2 skulls. There's a place down going on underground. And a big black no 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 no. Yeah. That's actually pretty fun. Get him my way. School! I hear a hunter. That's probably copyrighted. I should probably turn it off.
I work on the levee, mama night and day.
Edna mode. Engest. Oh shit, I broke his neck! Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. Spring back up! Spring back up! Spring back up! No! I'm just bashing his fucking. No! No! Not every. I fucking broke his head. I broke his neck! Fucking throw the things into this thing. Why the f did I get gunpowder? Lucille. fucking double barrel. And my fucking big range of guns. I have more potential gunpowder. I need a fucking pee. Alright guys, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back from taking my piss. I also downed a fucking half bottle of cough syrup. I did not, I was joking. Never ever down a half bottle of cough syrup. You can actually get pretty, like, dangerously close to getting killed. I think. Alright, so what am I supposed to do? Travel to the ward. Where's that? Bus. I'm gonna go there. The resting place. The boat. If I jump into the water, do you think I'll die? What kind of stupid question is that? Of course I will. Can I like... Alright, okay, I can't just pick this up. Shallows. Where's the ward at? That guy had a rough time. Gotta go there. But I can't seem to go there, so I'll just go to Memorial Lane. Oh, got a lot more rip. Okay, that's the water. Holy crap. We are in New Orleans. Bottle. No! Whiskey. I take my risky on the... I do it! Is that my fucking beer catcher of a son? Why does that just stink? You should have got me a fucking beer! Or I can't just repeatedly stab him? That's lame. Oh, great.
Fucking tower. Meds will help me recover. I know they will. Do you have any?
Medication? Well, that's an egg timer.
Oh, that's nice of you, but that's not what I need.
Well, I know what the f to do! Really bottle!
I just don't know what to do. What, even a couple of pills could save my ass.
Oh, you need pills. You're one of those junkies. What? Yeah, I know y'all heard that. Let out a fucking girly ass scream. I need to stop that. No, my bottle! I'm sorry, whiskey bottle. Shut up! Women, am I right? Da 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 da! Yeah. Ooh. No.
I am not a born leader. And by the time I was 13 years old, I had
13?
seen it all. Hurricanes,
I've seen it all?
earthquakes, floods, starvation, disease. Haiti never seemed to catch a break. So when the dead started to rise and panic overtook my adopted home of New Orleans,
New Orleans? Oh, yeah, that's right.
I was ready to rise. My neighbors were scared, but they were also resilient. All they needed was a voice to rally around. And the moment of evocation, a moment charged with a desperate drive to listen, we all survived. I took the lead, and they listened. But those were... We put our collective minds to work. Set up a scavenge system that was
Oh, did
both
it
safe
go all the way
and
back here?
fruitful. Word started
It
getting
did.
out. If you wanted to survive, go find Mama and her people. But soon, our community had outgrown the capacity of our perimeter. A decision had
These
to be
shotgun shells?
made.
No, box razors.
Start
Razors.
turning others away, or venture forth and establish a new home that could support every every lost
Oh, shit.
soul
Hold on.
who found their way to our doorstep.
I just
I
realized I
think
can
you
let out
can
a lot
guess
of
what
noise.
decision I made.
Twinkie!
The tower will always stand.
Oh, a die should not have ate that. Twinkie! Ooh, voodoo doll. Ashtray. And the ashes are baked in! Let's go. Ah! Ah! I'm a fucking way. I didn't expect that to actually move. Eh. Get your sissy tinker toys out my face. Matches. Oh, is this what that woman wants? Yeah, this is what that woman wants. Lady, I got your pills. Oh! Did I? I'm a sharpshooter. What can I say? Shooter! What can I say except you're welcome? Now I prefer some payment by any day. What can I say except you're welcome? Now that woman's probably dead by now. Here.
What do you think? Can you help me out with some meds?
Get your hands away!
I got you some pills.
Medicine is what I need, please.
Yoink.
I can't thank you enough for this.
Oh,
Here,
oh,
for you.
oh! Is this a carton of eggs? Or it's a box of stuff. I tried helping. Where'd she go? She just disappeared! Crap. Oh, I pushed up on my headset and it stopped recording. Because it was like riding my nose and I don't like when it... Where'd my box of stuff go? Oh. I'll open that when I get back to base. Can I punch the shit out of a zombie? Hold on. Oh Bam. What? Why did that take so long? Just pink. One moment, ma'am. I'll be right with you. Bam! So many zombies. Got a couple runners. Beamer. Oh. Hello. Hello. I'm your neighbor. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Walk casually.
The most needy? That's a sin, right? They'll
What?
know what's coming to them. I haven't eaten in a week. Hook me up with something. Anything.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks. I needed that. Here.
Box of
This is for
stuff.
you.
You're. Jesus Christ! Get back here! Get back here! Get back here! Watch, guys. Okay. Lesson learned. Do not push up on your headset. Push it from the back. Then push it down. Oh, my hands are covered in blood. I'm filthy. It's not sin, is it? They were dead and all that. Haven't I seen him before? Propane. Can I, like, open it? Yeah. Shut him! My gun! My ammo was in there! Okay, pretty sure ammo's in there. Oh, there's more zombies. I mean, walkers, my bad. Yes, come closer, come closer. Oh, did I just kill myself? I just killed myself. If you die again before collecting the loot, it'll be lost forever. No! There's so many needy people. Oh. Come here. You're gonna come over here. Let me get over here! Crackhead, am I right? Oh shit. Get off of me! This one had like, well, I mean, I guess I did lose one of them. Okay, good. Oh, I'm lost a bit of health. Oh, they found me. I missed! How did I miss? He was 2 feet in front of me! I feel like Morshu from Mulan. How did you miss? How did you miss? He was right in front of you! Spoon! I'm gonna scoop your brains out. I'm gonna scoop your brains out. No, I'm the brain-eating parasite. What if I can... Whatcha! Oh, my game's lagging. I need to stop doing it. I need to push. That is the 5th time I have done that. I am going to kill better. If I could climb these, I could easily grip up onto that in real life. Well, maybe not in real life because I'm weak as hell. But I could easily, like, someone could easily just, oh wait, somebody could easily just, They shorten my height as soon as I jump. What the heck is wrong with this game? Propane tank. Stay back! I'm ready to blow! Ah!
Maybe Noir is a traitor. Maybe Noir is a liar and a thief. She will say and do anything to further her own selfish agenda. Do not be fooled. She will not.
That takes away a lot of my max health.
She will corrupt you. I considered her family. Treated her as if she were my own flesh and blood.
My health right there.
Yet she did not hesitate to betray me. She tried to turn my dearest and most loyal friends against me. Oh, her treachery knows no bounds.
I hit like one of the
and will
thingies
do
for
the
my ceiling
same
fan,
to
and
you.
I look up.
Do not be
Someone's
fooled.
getting fired.
Maybe Noir is
Can
a
you shut
menace.
up?
She should be shunned.
What?
If you assist her in any way, you will
Women,
leave
am I
us
right?
no choice but to consider you
Oh,
an enemy of the tower. We do not wish this. Do not force our hand. The tower
Where's
will
my?
always stand.
I need to get out of here.
Mama.
Where's my boat? My boat. Oh wait, I think I got time. Why was I rushing? I almost pushed up on the... It's hard to adjust the headset without it being like, oh, you took the headset off. Oh, you put the headset back on. That's fun. That's fun. Alright. Frying pan time. I'm like that old guy from the fucking Walking Dead Telltale game series. One where they like, where you have to choose to squish his head with a brick. He was sick. He was not turning. He was sick. He was turning. It wasn't for touching kids, was it? Check your journal often. It will help you remember where you are and what to do next. Oh, really now? Really? Oh my gosh, it is nighttime. Walkers roam the area. No, they don't. I cleared out this area. Yeah, once you clear it out, the walkers just go away for some reason. I need my max stamina to get back up, but I also need my max health to get back up. I'm scratching my chest. I'm itching my bump hole. Oh, excuse me. Toilet paper? Oh. Sterile bandage. I can make this? Shotgun frames. Wooden scraps, workable metal. Oh. Shaft, sharp object, 3 out of 5 pieces. Alright. I think this is a good place to call it. Let me just... Rest in peace, gun number 3. I think that's gun number 3. I went through so many guns I've lost count, and I haven't played this game in like 2 years. Oh, the game's gonna force my height down. My sleepy juice! Let's see what's in this box. No, not my sleepy juice. I need to see what's in this box. Gunpowder, nuts and bolts, workable metal. Ooh. Box of stuff. Is this adhesive? This is glue. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna call that place here. Let me just... My sleepy juice. Alright. Day 6. Available supplies have dwindled. The grant and the dead have grown in numbers. Available supplies have dwindled. Exactly. Alright. Hey, buddy, your head's no longer broken. When I slapped you with the gun and broke your neck. Oh, no, when I slapped you with a skull and broke your neck, actually. Attention, please. Your mom is gay. I like to sing about the moon and the June and the spring. What, no music? Is this thing on? Doing, 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 doing. Anyway, stop being ADHD. I'm gonna call that here. That was a pretty good run of Saints and Sinners. Granted, I did have to restart recording at least 5 times. 1 for a bathroom break. No, I don't need my night juice now. I don't want to drink hard liquor right now. Anyway, it's been a good run. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.